Now track your order step by step in real time. On your favorite browser, open ptcl.com.pk. Click on the support option at the top of the web page. To track your order, simply scroll down on the page until you see the section of most used support links and click on Track Order. Enter the order number that was sent to you via SMS or email and click on Track. Your order tracking will be in the status of order received if you have recently got your order processed. You can also see the estimated time of completion in the status. That is the maximum time this complete process may take and is not the time for this particular step only. If your order is on the step of order validation, it means your credentials are being verified. Your order tracking will be on the status of checking network availability when we are verifying the presence of network at your installation address. The status of awaiting payment indicates that we are excited to get you up and running and eagerly anticipating the payment of installation charges from your end. Ready for installation means our team will be visiting you very soon for installation of services and set everything up. After the successful completion of all steps, Process Tracker will reach the step of installation completed and date below it will show the date on which process was completed. For more options, download the PTCL app, contact us on WhatsApp, or visit our website. Plus, don't forget to try our live chat feature for instant support. Save time and enjoy the convenience of our digital channels. Thank you.